Let us move on to the chapter The Fun They Had in Beehive Book. The two activities given here suitable to the real classroom situation. It need not to be taken since it is a virtual classroom. I wish that every one of you is working on it separately in the classwork notebook which you are going to maintain from today. I want that each one of you listen to the ideas which are being discussed by me today, and you can repeat the listening activity if it is required for more understanding. The story is set in a future world in which computer is going to occupy in all major domains. The schools are not also exceptional under the change. The real teacher in the school shall be replaced by robotic teacher. The real school building shall no longer exist majestically as you see today, but a portion in the house, such as a room, becomes a classroom. It is to be known as virtual classroom. So let us discuss this chapter in depth to the point of view of the characters Margie and Tommy about schooling. Margie wrote in her diary on 17th May 21,057 years that Tommy had found a real book. The question arises here, why Maggie records the simple event in her diary more significantly? Margie is a 11-year-old girl. Tommy is her brother who is at 13-year-old. Both the children brought up in a situation where formal schooling is disappeared from the system. The schools are replaced by virtual classrooms. The human teachers are replaced by robotic teachers. These children are exposed to e-books who never knew about a physical book. So she writes in her diary significantly that Tommy found a real book. So what is the status of the real book? It is also present in the same paragraph. It was a very old book. Obviously it is very old. And who had used it and who had talked about the books? Margie's grandfather shared once that when he was a very small boy, his grandfather talked about book. Did the book look like? That is a condition of the book. It is discussed here in this paragraph. So maybe two more questions can be asked in this area. So if the question comes, how did the book look like, or the condition of the book, then you must be able to write the same answer. The pages of the books were in yellow color with the many folds or lines in it. Words appeared on the pages, and the pages were not running like a computer but stood there physically. Let us move on to the para number 2. So Tommy had a negative impression about the real book. Why? Maybe also two more questions. Tommy had a negative impression about real book. Why? It is present in para number 2. So why physical or a real book is considered to be waste according to Tommy? So question also can be asked in such a fashion. I repeat the question for you. Why physical or real book is considered to be waste according to Tommy? It is maybe an unexpected question also. The answer is very simple. The real book is waste according to Tommy. Once you read the book, you did not require it no longer, but throw it away. And secondly, computer can store millions of books in the screen. It can be also used at any time as you want at one click. There are millions of books required for quick reference only with the help of the computer, where it requires physical space if it is a real books. So people don't throw the books in digital, whereas people can throw the books in physical. So that is the points that you should be able to write for this question. Discuss para number 3 in depth. What is a book about? Or what is the special charm about the book? So it is an expected question. So if it is asked in the examination, you should be able to write the answer which I discussed now. It is all about the school. What is a special charm about the book is that it is all about discussing the school. Margie did not have a good opinion about school. It was always for her an unpleasant place. Why Margie hated the school always? It is also, of course, expected. Margie always hated the school, but now she hated it more than ever because the mechanical teacher had been giving her test after test beyond her capacity. She was just at 11, but the portions which were given to her beyond her capacity of understanding. So she had been doing worst of the worst until the mother noticed it, and then she had been doing the subject very poorly, and she thought that a call to be made on to the county inspector. County inspector is a one who repairs the computer. I think para 3 is clear to you, and we move on to the para number 4. Did the county inspector attend the computer? Obviously, yes, the answer is. So he attended the computer at the call, and he was a little man with a red face. He carried a box that consisted of tools or wires. Margie hoped that the man would not repair it, but he was very smart to make the mechanical part readily within an hour. Now the screen on the computer came up with the figures and letters. Lessons were projected and the questions were asked and shared. So the computer was not so bad now. The part Maggie hated in the computer is time slot, that is timetable. So the fixed time by the computer, obviously to be followed by writing them all through punch code. What is punch code? Punch code is a sheet in which it is recorded. The symbols are recorded in a sheet. So the scoring was immediately displayed on the spot and evaluation is just done. So she had been doing it since when she was 6-year-old child. Dear children, we have discussed 1 to 4 paragraphs. So I made it clear the expected questions and the content also clearly. So now it is an evaluation part now. So what I want from each one of you is that you please try to maintain the classwork copy, king size copy. Do not buy the small copies, but king size copy only to be followed. Please purchase and then maintain the following questions in the king size notebook as classwork notebook. The questions which I want from you to be answered in the classwork notebook is encircled here. Question number 1, question number 2, question number 3 and question number 4. And similarly in part 3 also question number 2. So all the 5 questions must be attempted by you. And I'll meet you in the next class where before I meet you that all these answers that you have written in the king size copy classwork should be communicated with me. So with this we will complete this lesson and the rest of the paragraphs will be discussed in the next class. Wish you a good day.